The Millennium Park. The park is conveniently located close to large housing estates. It was commissioned by the Fingal County Council in June 2001. It is 24.4 hectares, 60 acres, of parkland immediately adjacent to the Blanchardstown Town Centre, Blanchardstown Library, Fingal County Council offices, and the Dracht Arts Centre. The Millennium Park was planned to facilitate both passive and active recreation. The design preserved the remaining elements of the 19th century walled garden. Passive recreation is facilitated through a network of tree-lined paths which give access to meadows, woodland, and walled gardens. You'll also find a playground, outdoor exercise equipment, and other facilities. There are lots of open green spaces. Peppered within the park are wooden carvings. These carvings were created by artist Richie Clark, and his website is rcwoodcarving.com. This large beech was felled by the wind, leaving its root plate exposed. The Fae. The Fae bench. This was installed in front of the Fae sculpture. It represents the male and female energy of the magical beings. The nature goddess. The goddess of nature would be an interesting subject. The goddess is surrounded by animals: an otter, a fox, a barn owl, and a salmon. The raven sits on top. According to the artist, the raven is associated with Fingal and had to be part of the finished piece.